Hello everyone, my name is Ananya and I am from Shahid Bhagat Singh Evening College. Today we are going to discuss on the topic organizational behavior, its concepts and determinants. So let's move into the topic. Coming over to the introduction. What organizational behavior is? It is a field of study that examines the behavior of individuals, groups, and organizations within the context of the workplace. It includes various concepts that help in understanding the behavior of individuals, groups, and organizations. And it includes topics such as motivation, communication, leadership, decision making, and group dynamics. Coming over to the eight concepts of organizational behavior, namely motivation, diversity, communication, leadership, teamwork, organizational culture, change management, and decision making. So, motivation. What do you mean by motivation? Motivation refers to the internal and external factors that drive individuals to take actions. Understanding motivation is important in creating a work environment that encourages employees to perform at their best. अगर हमारे पास मोटिवेशन ही नहीं होगी तो हम किसी भी काम को करने के लिए विलिंग ही नहीं होंगे. तो एक पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन होना लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डाइवर्सिटी. Diversity is concept focuses on understanding and managing differences among people and including differences in race, gender, ethnicity, age and culture. As you all know कि हम सारे एक डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं एंड वो डाइवर्सिटी को अगर हम अपनी यूनिटी बना लें और उसे हम रूल आउट करें और सबको इक्वालिटी से ट्रीट करें तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के वेलबींग के लिए. Communication. Effective communication is crucial for success in any organization. It involves sending and receiving messages through various channels such as verbal, non-verbal, and written communication. हमारे सीनियर्स जब सबॉर्डिनेट से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं इन एन इफेक्टिव मैनर तो हमारा जो आउटकम है वो बहुत अच्छा निकलता है. Coming over to leadership. Leadership involves influencing and guiding others towards a common goal. It is important for creating a positive work environment and promoting employee motivation and engagement. So, being a leader is not at all easy, and taking everyone together, guiding them towards a common goal that is beneficial for them as an individual as well as for the organization is very important. Next, we have the organizational culture. It refers to the shared values, beliefs, and practices that shape the behavior of individuals within an organization and impact their performance directly. हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कल्चर बहुत मैटर करता है हाउ वेल वी विल डू इन फ्यूचर एंड हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ कितने विलिंग होंगे हमारे साथ काम करने के लिए और रिटेन होने के लिए. Teamwork. Working together as a team is a very important goal. This requires clear communication, mutual trust, and cooperation among the members. Teamwork बहुत important है किसी भी organization में to make everyone together, unite them, and take work from them to achieve the goals of the organization. Next is change management. It refers to planning and implementing on those changes, which is important in maintaining the competitiveness and adapting to the changing market conditions. हमारे एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल फैक्टर्स बहुत मैटर करते हैं एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एंड इफ़ एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम अपने एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स अडेप्ट होने में बहुत टाइम नहीं लगाते एंड हम इजीली उनसे अडेप्ट हो जाते हैं मार्केट कंडीशन से तो वो बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे एंड इट ब्रिंग्स पॉजिटिव चेंजेस. Decision making. This involves selecting the best option available and requires considering both the positive and negative and make a well informed choice. Decision making के अंडर आपको दोनों ऑप्टिमिज्म एंड पेसिमिज्म रख के चलना होता है बट चूजिंग द बेस्ट आउटकम ऑफ देम आउट ऑफ दोज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज द आर द डिटर्मिनेंट्स. Leadership style. It refers to the approach that leaders take in managing their employees. Different leadership styles can influence employee motivation, job satisfaction, and overall organizational performance. हमारे लीडर्स जो है हमारे सीनियर्स जो है उनका जो मैनेजिंग स्टाइल है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है to be able to take work from all their employees. अगर वो रूड होंगे या मीन होंगे तो कोई भी एम्प्लॉय उन्हें पसंद नहीं करेगा और उन्हें फॉलो नहीं करेगा. Organizational structure. Organizational structure refers to the way that an organization is designed and how its various departments and functions are organized. The structure can influence employee roles, responsibilities, and communication patterns. हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, सीनियर सबॉर्डिनेट रिलेशनशिप है, वो बहुत मैटर करता है और उससे एक एम्प्लॉय की परफॉर्मेंस पे बहुत इम्पैक्ट आता है. कम्युनिकेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाते हैं अगर हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है. नेक्स्ट इज द ग्रुप डायनामिक्स. दिस रेफर्स टू द वे दैट इंडिविजुअल्स इंटरैक्ट विद द ग्रुप सेटिंग. Factors such as communication, cohesion, and conformity can affect how groups perform and function. As an ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमें सबके ओपिनियंस और थॉट्स से के लिए ओपन होना चाहिए और डायनामिक्स रखने चाहिए ताकि हम सबके थॉट्स पुट इन करके एक बेस्ट आउटकम निकाल सकें. नेक्स्ट वी हैव our individual characteristics such as personality, attitudes, values, perception, and learning affect the organizational behavior. People bring their unique characteristics to the workplace, and these influence how they behave and interact with others. As an organization, we all are individuals that come together and make an a brand name. So we all bring our unique characteristics to the workplace and add it to that environment. Next is the organizational culture. This refers to the shared values, beliefs, and norms that shape the behavior of individuals within an organization. A strong organizational culture can foster a sense of belonging and commitment among employees, while a weak culture can lead to conflict and disengagement. सो हमारे एज अर्लियर सेड कि हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कल्चर बहुत मैटर करता है. अगर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कल्चर होगा तो वो कमिटमेंट और बिलोंगिंग की सेंस को एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में लाएगा. अगर एक वीक कल्चर होगा तो सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स और डिसएंगेजमेंट्स रहेंगे. Next, what we learn from our scriptures about organizational behavior concepts and determinants. So, the Ramayana and Mahabharata are one of the greatest epics from the Vedas that have influenced the Hindu way of thinking and believing, while the Bhagavad Gita compiles the teachings of the Lord and is a set narrative framework of dialogue between Pandava prince Arjuna and his guide and charioteer Krishna. First, we have is the Bhagavad Gita. So, communication of from instances of Bhagavad Gita and how Lord Krishna communicated to Arjuna in a clear and effective manner using examples and analogies to explain complex concepts. So, communication जैसे पहले भी बोला गया वो बहुत important है और लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने भी अर्जुना से communicate किया था ताकि वो एक अच्छी strategy बना सकें to fight the battle. This shows us the importance of effective communication in an organizational behavior and how it helps to build trust and resolve conflicts. Next, we have group dynamics among from the instances of Bhagavad Gita in view of Pandavas and Kauravas. So, this describes the interactions between different groups of characters, including the Pandavas and the Kauravas and their respective allies. Group dynamics, एज यू ऑल नो, कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक ग्रुप सेटिंग फिक्स करने के लिए. दिस इलस्ट्रेट्स द इम्पोर्टेंस एंड हाउ इट कैन इन्फ्लुएंस कम्युनिकेशन एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड कोलैबोरेट विद इन द टीम्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज द Mahabharata. Motivation from the instances of Mahabharata between Krishna and Arjuna. Lord Krishna motivates Arjuna to fight in the battle of Kurukshetra by reminding him of his duty as a warrior and the importance of fulfilling his obligations. So कृष्णा जी ने उनको अर्जुना को ये बताया था कि वो एक वॉरियर हैं और उनका फाइट करना अपने लिए और अपने लोगों के लिए बहुत important है. This shows us the importance of motivation in organizational behavior as it can inspire individuals to perform their duties and achieve their goals. Next we have is the decision making in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So Yudhishthira's decision to play dice with Duryodhana led to the Pandavas' exile, while Arjuna's decision to fight against his own relatives in the Battle of Kurukshetra was a difficult but a very necessary decision. So डिसीजन मेकिंग बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है हमारी लाइफ में. अगर हम बेस्ट आउट ऑफ द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं चूज कर पाते तो हमारी ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाएगी. तो महाभारत में ऐसे बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस हैं डिसीजन मेकिंग के, बोथ गुड एंड बैड. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज द रामायण. Leadership from the instance of Ramayana in view of Lord Rama. Lord Rama was exiled to the forest, and Sita and Lakshman decided to go with him. He took charge of the situation, reassuring them that he would take care of them and even made sure they were quite comfortable despite the harsh living conditions. So, Lord Ram ने को जब 14 ईयर्स के लिए भेज दिया गया था, तब सीता जी और लक्ष्मण जी उनके साथ जाने के लिए विलिंग थे, और उन्होंने उनको ये अश्योर किया था कि वो उनका ध्यान रखेंगे चाहे कुछ भी हो. और उन्होंने ये चीज़ पूरी करी, अपने लीडरशिप स्किल्स दिखाई, एंड he was always decisive in his actions and he always motivated his followers. Next we have is the cultural diversity. So Lord Rama respected and valued diversity. He treated everyone equally regardless of the social status. And even he had a diverse army consisting of humans, monkeys and bears. So लॉर्ड रामा की जो आर्मी थी, जब वो सीता जी को बचाने गए थे, उनकी आर्मी में सारे डाइवर्स लोग इकट्ठे हो गए थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ह्यूमंस, मंकीज एंड बेयर्स, एंड उन्होंने सबको इक्वली ट्रीट किया, जिससे ये पता चलता है कि वो सारे बैकग्राउंड्स और कल्चर्स को इक्वल वैल्यू देते थे. एंड वो जानते थे कि ही वॉज अवेयर कि ये सब कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. So here we conclude our presentation, and I like to say that organizational behavior is a critical aspect of understanding how individuals, groups, and perform and behave and interact within an organization. And by determining the determinants of organizational behavior, how an organization can improve its performance, manage diversity and teamwork, and enhance employee well being is very, very important. Thank you.